fuck is that shitty blue line on your guys' car? Why am I, a taxpayer, paying for you to have special decals on your cars? Got an answer to that question there, Mo? A little bit.
Yeah. Lower the camera and I'll converse with you. Okay.
Are you in the commission of your duties?
Of course I am.
Okay, well, I'm going to keep filming you for my protection.
You can keep it on. It's
Great.
Just, it's
This is for my protection. I don't care if you're annoyed by it.
Have you ever been harassed by the police in the past?
Is that a question?
Yeah, it is.
No, I don't answer questions.
What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Audit the Law. Thank you guys so much once again for tuning in. Today I'm bringing to you guys a video brought to you folks by the way of this channel here, going by the name of Constitutional Civil Rights Investigations. In this video, this individual stopped and detained by two cops from the Two Harbors Police Department after doing an audit. This is the Two Harbors Police Department out of the state of Minnesota. These two officers who show up on scene, you guys will see they immediately try to violate this man's rights by asking for his ID, when they have no knowledge of what happened or if this man even did anything wrong. I guess it is now a policy in every police and sheriff's department to violate everybody's Fourth Amendment right on command. But I think you folks are going to like what you see at the end. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time, so I want you folks to go ahead and check this out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Excuse me. I need you to stop.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, am I being detained?
I'm going to speak with you.
Am I being detained?
For now, yes.
For what reason?
Because we just got to hold up alarm from there.
Nobody
Do you have
held
an
up
ID on
anything.
you?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Mind if I see it, please?
Yes, I
Thank
do
you.
mind.
Okay.
What's your name?
Let me get yours.
Greg Mo.
Greg Mo.
Yes.
Do you have a badge number or any other?
657.
Great.
What's your name?
Why am I being detained?
Because we just got a hold up alarm from
Great.
City Hall.
You should go talk to them.
I'll talk to you good here.
You should go talk to them.
Okay.
Because right now you are unlawfully detaining me.
I disagree with you.
Okay, well.
So, do you have anything on you? Weapons, knives, bombs, guns?
No.
Nothing.
No.
Nothing. Okay.
No.
Okay. Can you?
That is
explain-
the only
can you-
answer.
Can you explain to me why we got a hold up
No.
alarm? No.
Nope.
Was there a disagreement in there?
No.
No, nothing.
Panicked public workers who don't like cameras.
Sure. Okay.
I'm trying to keep myself cool. I really don't like being unlawfully detained. Just because they pulled their panic alarm doesn't mean I'm the reason they pulled their panic alarm.
Okay.
Panic alarm is just a panic alarm. You have absolutely no reasonable and articulable suspicion that I have been engaged in criminal activity. Am I free to go?
No.
Okay. How long are you going to maintain this unlawful detention?
I'm out with a male on the sidewalk here that won't identify himself.
Isn't the Fourth Amendment just great?
Yes, it is, folks. That is absolutely correct. The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution was written in order to protect everybody's rights from unlawful searches and seizures. It's honestly quite a shame how many police and sheriff's departments are trying to turn this around just by enforcing everybody to identify themselves upon demand. Instead of teaching the ones who went to the police academy on the knowledge of the United States Constitution and our rights, they are being taught and trained on how to simply violate them. How can these people label themselves as law enforcement if none of them ever went to law school? Why are we here putting food on their tables when they go out and treat us like this? This is why channels like ours exist, to inform you guys on your rights and how to confidently stand up for them. Which is what this gentleman did, folks, so let's keep watching.
So you won't explain to me what...
No, I don't need to explain to you anything. It's not my job to do your job.
Did you go in there video recording them? Or...
I'm not answering any of your questions. I only have to answer one question. You've asked it already. You ever listen to the band Mo? Well, it's a personal question outside of what we're dealing with. I'm just trying to shoot the shit with you a little bit.
Yeah. Lower the camera and I'll converse with you. Okay.
Are you in the commission of your duties?
Of course I am.
Okay, well, I'm going to keep filming you for my protection.
You can keep it on. It's
Great.
Just, it's annoying.
This is for my protection. I don't care if you're annoyed by it.
Have you ever been harassed by the police in the past?
Is that a question?
Yeah, it is.
No, I don't answer questions. Sorry.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. I just...
Good morning, I can't get mixed up. Good morning, good night, good evening. Find one thing that works, stick with it.
So, what is your reasonable and articulable suspicion to keep me in this detention? You are required to have it.
So you can ask questions of me, but I can't ask
Correct.
questions of you.
Correct. I have the... You can ask.
That
You can
information-
ask me anything.
That information will be available in a report. Not right now. Okay?
Copsplaining then, huh?
What's that?
Copsplaining.
Sure.
Not giving me an answer to why you are unlawfully detaining me.
Sure. Okay.
The fuck is that shitty blue line on your guys' car? Why am I, a taxpayer, paying for you to have special decals on your cars? Got an answer to that question there, Mo? Why are the taxpayers paying for you to have your blue line bullshit on our squad cars?
Dude, I'd love to have a conversation with you.
Then talk. I'm asking you a direct
Because
question.
You don't answer questions.
I don't need to answer your questions. You don't need to answer mine either, but I'm asking nonetheless, and you're stating you want to answer. So why are the taxpayers paying for special decals on police cruisers, which is paid for by the taxpayers?
You made a blue line?
Yeah, the blue line, the symbol of tyranny in America.
I guess you'd have to ask the chief. So.
I'll do that. Thanks for the advice. Your taxpayer dollars at work there, folks. Am I free from this detention?
Well, they just don't want you back in there.
Am I free from this detention?
What's your
Am I free from this detention? Do you have reasonable and articulable suspicion I have engaged in criminal activity? Excuse me.
that make you feel uncomfortable?
Yeah, absolutely. Armed gunmen standing behind me, moving around. Yeah, it makes me very uncomfortable. Am I free to go?
Did you get a knife?
Am I free to go?
I did not. No crime's been committed, so you're free to go. Just don't return, sir.
I will return whenever I please. It's a public office. You do not...
Unless you have business that...
Correct. And filming is business. Peace out.
I'd like to thank you folks so much for watching and tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this one, I want you all to let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what it looks like when you know your rights and how to confidently stand up for them. These cops know this man did nothing wrong, and they really didn't try to push the issue. Once they noticed the fact that he was well educated on his rights, hopefully they learn not to go and do this just to anyone, but unfortunately, we already know they will. This is the major problem with policing in America. So many cops are ego-driven with power and given a gun and a badge that ultimately protects them from any wrongdoing they do behind our backs. This is really something that could only be changed with accountability and transparency held by the people. If you guys enjoyed this one, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos. But of course, more importantly, I want you all to head over to this guy's channel and let him know we sent you. As always, the original video and channel links will be down below in the description, as well as in the comments. Before we get out of here, folks, I want to go ahead and inform you guys on the rights you have here in this country. The First Amendment protects your right to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Remember, folks, that if you don't know your rights, you do not have any rights. But no matter where you are in the world you are watching this from, you should be brushed up and knowledgeable on the rights and laws you have in your area. I'd like to thank each and every single one of you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.